Well, God bless you. Thank you for tuning in to Black Man's Kitchen. Yes, I did say Black Man's Kitchen, where you can see the grease. I've already fried them chicken strips. I'm gonna have some chicken strips a little later on. I got a taste for that Uncle Ben's rice with just a little butter on it and just a little sprinkle of honey or sugar on it. My God, to your taste. My God, but I already got them and I already made them. Got my sauce, special little sauce I make on them. They already, my God, I'm trying not to eat one now. But I'm gonna have that for lunch, just getting ahead of my day. Uh, and then I want you to hear this song. A lot of you people listen to church, um, not church music, but Christmas music at Christmas time. But you need to hear this. I'm gonna play it for you. You can hear it while you look at my microwave. Just listen to it. God bless you all. Have a beautiful day. And all